Hi friends, welcome to your beginner yoga journey. Today is our day 2 out of day 7 series to get you started in some yoga, and today we'll be doing some of the same postures while adding on and also adding in some new yoga postures today. So if you're ready to experience yoga and discover what your mind and your body can do and just feel amazing within yourself, let's go ahead and grab our mat. Maybe you'd like to grab a couple blocks and some knee pads, place them on the side, and once you have everything ready, let's get started. All right, friends, so let's start in an easy pose, just how I'm seated. Sitting up nice and tall with your hands on your knees, facing up towards the sky with your palms. And I'd like you to relax here. Relax your shoulders, let them be heavy. Relax your face. And take a deep breath in as you grow tall. And exhale, release it out. And on your next inhale, we're going to open our arms, welcoming this day, this beautiful practice ahead as we reach all the way up, palms together. And exhale, drop your left hand down and reach your right arm up and over. We're focusing on breathing as we open up through our whole right side body. Being mindful that both of your hip bones are grounded, or your sit bones, and walk your bottom hand far away from your body to go deeper if you like. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, reach further as you look up towards the top arm to open up the chest. Now, carefully listen, we're gonna drop our right hand down on our left knee, pick up our left hand and reach it over towards the right side. So now we open through the left side body, squeezing the navel in towards the spine. So really squeeze the belly button in. Reach up and over. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Drop your left hand on your right knee, center your upper body. Inhale, drop your head, let it fall back. And exhale, we tuck our chin in towards our chest and feel that lovely stretch through the upper back, through the back of your neck, and then release your arms and slowly reach them up towards the sky as you take a deep breath in, palms together. Exhale, drop the right hand down and reach your left arm over. So this is called an easy pose side body stretch. Very simple way to start off our practice, nice and gentle here. Just take a deep breath in. Exhale, reach over. Drop your left hand on your right knee, pick up your right hand, and reach it towards the opposite side. So we're really focusing on creating space in both sides of our body, creating length. And more space helps to give us more freedom into our bodies. More freedom in the bodies, more freedom off our mat into our daily life. So just use your breath. Your breath is your guide, your fuel. Drop your right hand on your left knee, center your upper body. Inhale, let your head gently fall back. And exhale, tuck your chin in towards your chest. And just feel your shoulder blades pull apart. Lift your head back up, uncross your arms, and we're gonna come into tabletop position, also known as all fours. So your body is literally like a table with your knees directly under hips and your wrists directly under shoulders. So everything is stacked here. We're gonna do a cat and cow to warm up our spine. As we inhale, drop the belly, look forward, and exhale, you round the spine all the way up towards the sky, taking your chin towards your chest. Inhale, dropping the belly low, gaze looks forward. Exhale, rounding the spine all the way up. Inhale, we want to drop our belly as low as we can in cow, arch the back, look up. And exhale, you only move your spine as you round it up towards the sky, chin to chest. Inhale, dropping the belly low into cow. And exhale, rounding the spine all the way up. Inhale, come back into neutral spine. We're in a flat back. Keep your head in line with your spine with your eyes looking down. We're going to take some movement into our neck. So all you're gonna do is just move your neck, your head towards one side, and still keep that engagement into your core. So there's no arch in your back. You have a nice flat back here. And then roll your head in the opposite direction. So nice neck rolls here to really wake up that part of the body. Just be mindful not to go too quickly here so you don't get dizzy. And then taking the head back to center. We're going to inhale and open our right hip out towards the side and start to circle it towards the right just a few times here to really open up that hip. You can flex your right foot, which is the opposite of pointing, to go deeper into opening up that hip. Really take as big of a circle as you can. And then you're gonna extend your right leg back behind you, just like we did in day one if you were here for day one. Now you can keep your hands underneath your shoulders if that helps for balance, or you have another option. You can grab onto your right elbow with your left hand, or if you wanna take the full bird dog, reach your left arm forward here. So your toes are reaching in the opposite direction of your fingers. Your belly is really squeezed in, so we're starting to fire up the core. Inhale, lengthen longer. And exhale, you're gonna squeeze and crunch knee to elbow. Find your balance. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, squeeze and crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, holding your bird dog pose. Drop your left hand down, drop your right knee down, keep your hips above your knees, and walk your hands forward into a puppy pose, puppy stretch. So your forehead is resting down onto the mat. If your forehead can't come all the way down, feel free to place a block underneath it, or maybe something softer like a pillow or a blanket. Whatever feels good for you. This is an amazing way to open up our chest, to really improve our posture, pulling our arms behind our ears, and just opening up our heart to new opportunities. Take another deep breath in and exhale out. And as you inhale, we're going to slowly walk our hands back into tabletop position and open up your left hip and start to roll it out towards the left side and around. And remember, you can flex your left foot if you'd like to take it a little bit deeper into opening through this left hip joint. Keep everything stacked and aligned with the rest of your body. Last circle, and then extend your leg out back behind you. Stay here, or you can grab onto your left elbow, or take your full variation and extend the right arm forward. Remember to squeeze the belly, and you want to flat back. And exhale, crunch knee to elbow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen, and hold your bird dog. Nice job. And then we drop our hand down, drop our knee down, tuck your toes behind you, and shift your weight back into modified downward dog as you keep your knees bent. And I want you to keep your knees really bent here. Your heels are lifted because I want you to stretch your back. Feel this nice opening in your spine, opening your chest. And then walk your feet towards your hands at the front of your mat. We're going to inhale and place our hands on our thighs as we halfway lengthen, look forward. And exhale, we go a little bit deeper. So we always, when we fold, we halfway lengthen first so that we can lengthen even deeper into our fold once we come down. Now you're gonna open your feet as wide as your hips, bend your knees a little bit and grab onto your opposite elbows and take ragdoll. Your head should be super heavy here, so don't hold any tension up with your head or your neck. Just gently sway side to side, loosening up any tightness that you may be feeling in your back and also in the hamstrings. So this is a back and hamstring stretch. Good. Take another deep breath in. Exhale out. And release your hands down onto the mat. We're going to slowly roll one vertebrae up at a time, coming all the way into a standing position. Let your head be the last thing to lift. And then open your arms and reach them up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, palms together. And you're just going to dive your body down towards the mat. Inhale, bend your knees and start to roll the body all the way up into standing. Open the arms, reach them up towards the sky. And you either have the option to dive forward like this as you take hands in prayer, bend the knees, and then just rolling back up. Or you can dive and do a swan, what we call a swan. So when you do that, your arms are going to open wide as you lead with your heart. You stick the butt out, and then your hands come down to the mat. So whichever option feels good for you, what you want to do with your arms, take either variation. Just feeling this opening throughout your whole entire body here, really releasing everything, especially on the exhale. Last time, open your arms, reach up, maybe take a little bend, and then exhale, diving the body down towards the mat. Now as we inhale, we halfway lengthen, flat back, and we're gonna step our right foot back, drop our back knee, and lift the arms up into your low lunge. Your back toes can untuck, and remember, always use a knee pad if you need to. If you have any pain or sensitivity in the knees, place it under the back one. Now in your low lunge, instead of being up here, I want you to shift your hips forward so you have that diagonal stretch in the back leg. Arms reach up on the inhale, and exhale, we're gonna bend and squeeze into cactus. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend and squeeze. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend and squeeze. Inhale, you reach back up. Hands drop down onto the mat. Place your right hand under your right shoulder and see if you can take a low lunge twist as your left arm reaches up towards the sky. This nice gentle twist for detoxification of the body to help clean out toxins out of the entire body. As we twist, take a deep breath in. And then exhale, our hands will come down. Lift your back knee off of the mat and step your right foot to meet the left foot forward. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. And inhale, come all the way straight up into standing. Open your arms, reaching up towards the sky. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. Bend your knees, sweep your arms down. Reach and open the arms up towards the sky. Bend back. And exhale, diving your body down towards the mat. Inhale as you halfway lengthen. Exhale, step your left foot back into lunge, low lunge. So we drop the back knee. You can relax your back toes, untuck them. Reach the arms up on your inhale. And exhale, bend and squeeze. Inhale, reach straight up. Exhale, bend and squeeze. Really good for mobility of our shoulders and opening up our heart as well. Opening the chest, reach up. Exhale, bend and squeeze. And reach the arms up. Drop the left hand under your left shoulder. And your right arm reaches up. Low lunge twist. Keeping those arms stacked. Breathe and hold this pose. Take another deep breath in through your nose. And exhale, let it go. Your hand comes down onto the mat. Tuck your back toes and lift the knee. And see if you can step your left foot to meet the right into fold. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, fold. And inhale, roll the body all the way up into standing. Open the arms and reach up. And exhale, take your hands in front of your heart. Bend your knees, sweep your arms, reach them up towards the sky, bend back, and exhale, diving your body down towards your mat. Inhale as you halfway lengthen. Exhale, come down onto your tailbone, onto your mats. Cross your legs in easy pose. Sit up nice and tall, hips are open, spine is tall. And you want one straight line from your tailbone up to the crown of your head. One vertical straight line. And as we close off, let us open our arms, reach them up towards the sky. Exhale, palms together and down to your heart. Inhale, open those arms as wide as you can and reach them all the way up. Exhale, press the palms together and back down. Inhale, open. Really reach as high as you can. Squeeze those palms together, pressing it in front of your heart in prayer and thanking yourself for making it on your yoga mat for day 2. Keep practicing with me. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Namaste.